guys, welcome back to the latest episode of Cooking with Magic. Today we're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich, but not just any grilled cheese sandwich. This is the grilled cheese sandwich you can find in Toy Story Land, in Hollywood Studios, at Woody's Lunchbox. So it's got a lot of different ingredients, a little bit more involved than just a regular grilled cheese sandwich. So if you're ready, let's get ready to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright guys, so before we get started, as always, please like, subscribe, comment, share, anything you can do to spread the word about the show. You may have noticed I've got a friend joining me today over here, going to be my assistant chef. We're also introducing a new option for you. If you shop on Amazon, you can shop through the Magic Our Way shop. Mouse Gears, M-O-W. Well, mouse with M-O-W. I don't even know how they spell it, but so if you're going to be buying something from Amazon anyway, come check out the shop. I'm going to be featuring different items here, maybe like spatulas and cooking devices and gadgets and stuff like that. So if any of that interests you, before you buy it from Amazon, go through our link and you'll help out the show. So for the sandwich, start with your bread. Any kind of bread is good, white bread even. I like sourdough bread for grilled cheese sandwiches. It's just, I think it just tastes better. It toasts really nice, so that's what I use. We're going to use provolone and we're going to use cheddar. That's what the recipe calls for. I usually just use American cheese, but that's what the recipe says, so that's what we're going to do. But in addition to that, we're going to make a cream cheese spread for the middle, so that's going to be sharp cheddar and cream cheese. Then on the outside of the bread, I usually put butter, but we're going to use mayonnaise. We're going to mix that up with a little garlic, so that's what we're going to spread on the outside of the sandwich. So, and that's about it. You just kind of put all that together, throw it on the grill, and you're going to be good to go. So let's get started. Alright, so for the cream cheese spread, you're going to use half a cup shredded cheddar and half a cup of cream cheese. So that's basically like half of a block. Okay, so just going to put that in there, mix it up.
So thick.
Yeah. Just going to mix it up. If it's a little too thick, you can put a splash of milk or cream, heavy cream, if you'd like, just to, make it a little smoother. Okay, go ahead and pause it. Right. All right, so that's it. Just kind of get it all mixed up. Like I said, if it's a little too thick, add some milk or heavy cream and you should be good to go. Alright, next we're going to do the spread. So you got half a cup of mayonnaise and just like a little spoonful, like that's not even a whole spoon, just like enough to give it some flavor, some garlic. You could use fresh if you want, but honestly it's just not that critical. I like to use the stuff in the jar for stuff like this. And then just get it nice and mixed up. And that's going to be, I'm going to go on the outside of the bread. Now, while you're assembling your sandwich, you can go ahead and preheat your griddle. This is Calphalon. Again, I'll put this in the Magic Our Way Amazon shop, but I'll tell you what, I've had this griddle since before I've had kids. So, like, I bought it back when me and the wife just got married. So this griddle is over like 20 years old. Heat it up a little more than medium. You don't want to go too high because yes, you're going to get a nice crisp char, but you're not going to have time for the cheese to melt in the middle. So medium, a little bit above medium, so it'll be nice and hot, but it also will go slow enough to melt the cheese. All right, so let's get our spread on the bread. Spread the bread. Don't get it too thick. You want it to really grill real nice and even. Okay. Then you're going to have your cream cheese spread, your cheddar, and your provolone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over, throw it together on the griddle, and let it heat up. Alright, so let's throw that on there. And that's a nice sound. Cheddar. Some of the cream cheese spread. Oh, that did not go as planned. Provolone. Then the other on top. Okay. Okay. Doesn't take too long. That looks pretty good. I might flip it again just to see it's nice and toasty, but maybe a little more toasty than that. But let's see how this goes. That to grill up. So while you're waiting for that to grill up, make sure to give your begging dog some cheese, so he'll stop begging you. No, movie star Patches.
Paparazzi, no, no.
See how that looks. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just hit it a little bit more. You can see where it's starting to melt, the provolone. So let's just toast it up a little bit more. A little more well done. All right, let's check on that. Yeah, I like that a little better, right? A little toastier, a little, feel that?
Getting a little drippage on the side.
Yeah, so let's do this side for a few more minutes and then we should be good to go. Okay, that should be it. Yeah, look at that. That looks good. Let's taste it up. Let me do that again.
Let's taste that up.
Okay, yeah, I think that's good. Let's get it off the grill and in my mouth. All right, let's see. Oh, you hear that?
Okay.
All right, official taste tester, Amanda.
It's hot.
Unofficial taste tester, Patches, is waiting patiently.
Mmm.
So we've never made a grilled cheese sandwich with cream cheese in it before. Like we just usually do American cheese, maybe some ham or something like that. Some tomato slices even, but I've never put
taste the
cream
garlic.
cheese. Yeah, I would imagine that tastes pretty good. But overall, what do you think?
Oh, God. It's creamy.
Creamy? Let me take a taste. Let me take a taste.
Patches, move your fat butt!
Okay. Very rich.
Yeah, rich sandwich is a good way to say it.
I'm not sure I want to go through all this trouble all the time. I mean, grilled cheese is supposed to be something you can make real quick and super easy. Like that should be something like your kids learn to make their first thing they learn to make is grilled cheese.
And make it like this.
So, but overall, pretty good. What do you think, Patches? You gonna try it? What's the verdict, Patches? You good? All right.
Okay.
All right, guys, so that's your grilled cheese sandwich from Woody's Lunchbox in Hollywood Studios. If you'd like to check that out for yourself, just email me. I can set you up. Email me at lee@magicourway.com. Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/Lastovica Travel. That's Lastovica Travel. Instagram, you can find me at You Got a Friend in Lee Travel. Again, please check out the Mohican, the Magic Our Way Mohican shop. We got all kinds of cool Disney books and recommendations and things like that. Again, I'll be posting up things from the cooking show as well. And yeah, so let's do that. And if you do any of that, we'll get you hooked up and booked up. Magic out.